Hey guys, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So today we are discussing about some textbook problems, that is textbook past paper questions. So I am taking questions from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended Coursebook, Karen Morrison and Nick Hamshaw. And now we are discussing Unit 3 past paper questions. Okay, so Unit 3 contains all these topics. These are also some basic concepts of some topics. So you will get some easy questions from this. So past paper questions. Question number 1. The nth term of a sequence is 6n minus 4. Write down the first three terms in the sequence. So nth term is given. So we need to find the first term. First term means n will be 1. Okay. Second term is n is 2. Third term means n will be 3. Okay. So when n is 1, what happens? This n will replace us by 1. So when n is 1, it will become 6 times 1 minus 4. So 6 times 1 is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the first term is 2. To find the second term, n will be 2. So 6 times 2 minus 4. So substitute 6 times 2 minus 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, n equal to 3. N equal to 3 means this n will replace this by 3. So it will become 6 times 3 minus 4. 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 minus 4 is 14. So we got first three terms, that is 2, 8 and 14. Okay, I hope this one is clear for you. And the kth term of this sequence is 422. Work out the value of k. So kth term means 6n. Nth term is 6n minus 4. So kth term will be, n will replace this by k. So kth term will be 6k minus 4. So the kth term is given here. What is kth term? Kth term is 422. So 6k minus 4 is equal to 422. So now we need to find the value of k. So just rearrange them and find the value of k. So first we will move 4 to right side. So minus 4 will become plus 4. So 6k equal to 422 plus 4. So 6k is equal to 422 plus 4 is 426. So k is equal to 426 divided by 6. So the answer is 71. So the k value will be 71. That means that 71 or 71st term is 422. I hope question number 1 is clear for you. Question number 2. Expand and simplify x minus 5 times x minus 7. So from the first bracket, each term we have to multiply to the second term. That means x5, this x we will multiply to x. X times x is x square. Then x we will multiply to minus 7. So it will become minus 7x. Then minus 5 we will multiply to x. So you will get minus 5x. Then minus 5 we will multiply to minus 7. So you will get plus 35. Okay. So x square minus 7 by minus 7x minus 5x. So minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12. Right. So minus 7x minus 5x is minus 12x. Then we have plus 35. So the answer is x square minus 12x plus 35. Okay. So question number 3. The diagram shows the right angle triangle. Calculate the value of x. Okay. So one angle is given 35. So opposite side is x, and for this triangle 12 is hypotenuse. So opposite side and hypotenuse, it is related with sine, right? So sine 35 equal to opposite side, that is x, over hypotenuse is 12. So we need to find the value of x. So we will move this divided by 12 to left side. So it will become, division will become multiplication. So 12 times sine 35, okay, equal to x. So take your calculator and find out 12 times sine 35, right? Okay, sin 35, close the bracket. So you will get 6 point, I will write the complete answer, 6.882917. So this is side length, so it must be in 3 significant figure. So round and write it in 3. Next number is less than 5, so you can ignore them. So the answer will be 6.88. Okay, so here it is x centimeter. So it is 6.88 centimeters. So no need to write centimeter for x here. Okay. So this is the answer. Question number 4. The diagram shows a point P and 1 minute. Okay. Point P and the line L. You can see the point P here and the line L. Write down the coordinates of P. So P, first we need to write the x coordinate. X coordinate is -3. So it is -3 comma. What is y coordinate of P? It is -1. So -3 comma -1. Okay. Then find the gradient of the line. So to find the gradient of any line, like we need to choose any 2 points on the line. Okay, so it's better because we don't have the correct values for these points, so it's better to take the integer x and y coordinates. Okay, because they haven't mentioned any decimal numbers here, so it's or the lines here, so it's better to take integer coordinates. Okay, so for this line integer coordinate, this is an integer coordinate, so first coordinate will take 2 comma 2. Any 2 point on the line you can take. Okay, next point you can take this one, 0 and -1. So first x coordinate, then y coordinate. Okay, so from the line you can choose any 2 points. Okay, then one point you can take it as x1 y1. Next point you can take it as x2 y2. Okay, so we have the gradient formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can find the gradient like this, or you can make a triangle, rise over run, or y over x is also fine. You can find in that way also. Okay, then y2 minus y1, y2 is -1, so y2 minus y1 is 2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 2. So you will get -1 minus 2 is -3 over -2. So 3 over 2 you can write, otherwise you can write 1.5 also. Okay, 3 over 2 is also fine, and 1.5. Write down the equation of the line in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So m is we already got. M is the gradient. M is 1.5. What is c? C means the y-intercept. So y-intercept is the line and y-axis meeting point. What is line and y-axis meeting point? That is -1. So C will be -1. So you can write the answer, y is equal to 1.5x plus, sorry, no need to put plus, you can directly write the minus. Okay, so -1. So 1.5x minus 1 is y. So this is the equation of the line L. Okay. Question number 5. Explain why triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. So we have one condition for similarity. If all angles are same, you can say that two shapes are similar. Okay, so here you have 75, 75, 65, 65 and 40 and 40. So you can say that all angles are same. All angles are same. So the triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. These two triangles are similar. Okay, find AC. So we need to find the side AC. I will mark this as X. So to find any side in the similar shapes, or you can use if you have two shapes, if they are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides will be same. That means you have to choose the corresponding side. These two sides are corresponding, and BC and Q are corresponding, AC and PR are corresponding. So if you are taking the ratio of corresponding sides, they will be equal. That means 6 over 18 equal to x over 27. Okay, so corresponding side ratio will be equal. So 6 over 18 equal to x over 27. Okay, then cross multiply 6 times 27, that is this one I am multiplying here, this one I will multiply here. Okay, so x 18x or x times 18. So we can find x, move 18 to left side, so x times, it is multiplications here. So when you move 18 it will become division. 6 times 27 over 18. So I will tell you how to do without calculator. You see here 6 and 18 both are multiple of 6, right? So both of them I will divide by 6. 6 divided by 6, so both of them I will divide by 6. Okay, what happens? 6 divided by 6 is 1, 18 divided by 6 is again 3. Okay, now you can see 27 and 3. 27 and 3 are multiple of 3, right? So both of them you can divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 1 times 9 divided by 1. So only 9 remains. So the answer is x is equal to 9. Okay. Do we need to write centimeter? Yes. Okay, so x is equal to 9. Here it is not x, so you can mention AC equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so the length of AC is 9 centimeter. Is it clear now? I hope this part is clear. So similarity means either all the sides must be equal, otherwise ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Okay. Question number 6. These are the first 4 terms of the sequence. Write down the next term. So just see what is happening here. So 5 to 8, what is happening here? 5 to 8 we are adding 3. 8 to 11 we are again adding 3. Again 11 to 14 we are adding 3. So this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means either we are adding some number or subtracting. Adding a negative number is same as subtraction. So we are adding some numbers and continuing the sequence, that is called a arithmetic sequence. So the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So to find the next term we will add again plus 3. So 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay. Then find an expression in terms of n for the nth term. So to find the nth term you can find like from here it's a 3n, and then you can directly find 2 plus 2 from here itself if you know the method. Otherwise you can use the formula a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so d is the difference and a is the first term. Otherwise you can use dn plus a minus d. Both of them, all the method you will get the same answer. D is the difference. So here the difference is 3. So you can take 3n plus a minus d. A is the first term. First term is 5. So 5 minus d is the difference, that is 3. So 3n plus 2. Okay, anyway you can find it. You can use any method. You will get the same answer. So here the nth term is 3n plus 2. Okay, so question number 7. The diagram shows the line L and 2 points A and B on the grid. You can see the line in the graph here, and A is a point and B is another point is given. Write down the coordinates of A. So coordinates of A, this is the point A. First we will write x coordinate. So x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is 4. So the coordinate for the point A is negative 2 comma 4. Okay, minus 2 comma 4. Then find the gradient of the line L. Okay, so we need to find the gradient. So for gradient you can choose any 2 points. Okay, you can choose any 2 points here. So here I am choosing A and B itself. Here already they have marked 2 points. So first point you can take it as A, that is minus 2 4, and next point I am taking B point. B is x coordinate is 6, y coordinate is 0. So B is 6 comma 0. You can use any method. You can make a triangle and rise over run, or difference in y over difference in x. Any method you can use, no problem. Okay, so first point I am taking here as x1 y1. This is the normal traditional method of finding gradient. Okay, x1 y1 mathematical method we can say. Traditional may be rise over run. x1 y1. Next point I am taking as x2 y2, and the gradient will be the equation we have, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 is 0, so 0 minus y1 is 4 divided by x2 is 6 minus x1 is minus 2. So negative 4, 6 minus minus will become plus, so 6 plus 2. So negative 4 over 8. So you will get negative 1 over 2, the same as negative zero point 0.5. Either you can write this or this. Don't write this because always your answer must be in the simplest form. Okay, you can write minus 1 over 5 or minus zero point 0.5. Okay, write down the equation of the line L in the form y is equal to mx plus c. M we already got, minus zero point 0.5. What is c? C is y-intercept, that means the line and y-axis meeting point. This is C, right? C is 3 here. Okay, C is y-intercept, that is the line and y-axis meeting point. So this equation will become y is equal to m is minus zero point 0.5 x plus C. C is 3. Okay, draw a line that is perpendicular to line L and passes through the point A. Okay, so this one you can use your ruler and pencil and draw it properly. Okay, I will just draw a rough figure for you, and yeah, don't draw a dotted line, you can draw a normal line. It must be just perpendicular. I know the next answer, that's why I'm doing like this. Okay, so this, the line will be almost like this. Okay, it must be perpendicular. No need to use the protractor. From the scale itself you can draw the perpendicular line. If you don't know that, use the protractor, keep it here in the line, and draw a 90, just mark a 90 degree and draw the line. Okay, so this line crosses the x-axis at point C. Okay, this line they are telling it is crossing the x-axis at the point C. Okay, so this will be somewhere here, the point will be C. Mark the point C on the grid and write down the coordinates of the point C. What will be the coordinates of point C? So that is from your drawing you will get the answer. The exact answer, I think it is negative 4 comma 0. When you draw this, use only ruler and pencil. Okay, so it is minus 4 comma 0. Find by measuring the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Yes, we are getting a triangle ABC here, right? So you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means add all the sides. Okay, the boundary line, the total boundary is called the perimeter. So use the ruler, find the length AB plus BC plus CA or AC. Okay, just add all the side length, you will get the answer. I think in the textbook they have mentioned 9.25. Don't write centimeter or meter or anything because no units are mentioned in this question. So you can just write units. Okay, we don't know the units, so just write 9.25 units. Okay, question number 8. On Monday, Main Street Station sells 40 tickets. There are 4 types of ticket: infant, child, adult and senior. Okay, you can see in the graph also. Okay, so infant is here, child is here, adult and senior. Okay, the bar chart shows the number of infant, child and adult tickets sold. Complete the bar chart. So in bar chart, one senior, that bar is missing. So how can we draw that? See, here they are telling the total number of tickets sold is 40. Okay, so we have infant is 5. Okay, this will be 5, middle of 6, 4 and 6. This will be 12, and this will be a middle of 16 and 18 is 17. So from 40 you can subtract that. Okay, so 40 minus 5 plus 12 plus 17, because total tickets is 40. So you can just subtract it from them. It's, yeah, you can just subtract it. So 40 minus what is um, 5 plus 12 plus 70. So 40 minus 5 plus 12 plus 17 is 34. So you will get 40 minus 34, that is 6. Okay, so how to draw 6? From here, 6 is here, right? So use pencil and ruler for drawing this. Don't use your pen. Okay, all the drawing must be with the pencil and ruler. Okay, find how many more tickets were sold than sorry find how many more adult tickets were sold than child tickets. So child tickets are 12. See, adult tickets are 17. Okay, so 17 minus 12, that is 5. Then 5 tickets. Then write down the model type of ticket. So what is the model type? What do you mean by model? Model means most. Okay, which is most for adult. The number of ticket is more for adult, so model type of ticket is adult. Then one of these 40 people is chosen at random. Find the probability that this person is a child. So total we have 40 out of, we need child tickets. How many child tickets we have? We have 12. So 12 out of 40 is the answer. This is a fraction. Whenever you have a fraction, you have to simplify it. So both of them you can simplify, and you can write it 3 over 10. Okay, so 3 over 10 is right, otherwise 0.3 is also right. Okay, I hope you know how we can simplify it to 3 over 10. I will show you. So if you don't know, just see here, 12 and 40. Okay, just see, both of them are multiple of which number? Okay, so if you don't know the bigger numbers, just take a smaller number. Both of them are multiple of 2, right? So we will divide both of them by 2 first. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6, then 40 divided by 2 is 20. So now our fraction became 6 over 20. Then 6 and 20, both of them are multiple of again 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, then 20 divided by 2 is 10. That's why this became 3 over 10. Okay, so if you know this directly divide it by 4. Okay, directly 12 and 40 you can divide by 4, you will get it. Otherwise use this method. Okay, if you are practicing this method, it will be easier for almost all the calculation for non calculator paper. Okay, so either you can write 3 over 10, or you can write 0.3 as a final answer. Okay, so next, at Donville station, the number of tickets sold each day is recorded for 7 days. Okay, number of tickets. So first day, second day, third day, like that. For 7 days, they recorded. Find the range. What do you mean by range? Ranges, maximum minus minimum is range. What is the maximum number of tickets? Is 104 minus, which is minimum is 18. So 104 minus 18, that is 86. Okay, 104 minus 18 is 86. Then median means it is middle. Okay, median means middle. Okay, just relate like that. Median is middle. Okay, when you find the median, either you have to write this in ascending order or descending order. That is very, very important. So I'm writing this in ascending order. So first smaller number is 18, so I will write 18. Then 27. Why I am cutting this? Because I don't want to miss any number. Okay, so just cut it when you write this. Okay, next number is 31. Next number is 45. Next is 60. When you cut like this, you won't miss any number. Next is 72. Next number is 104. Okay, now we need to find the middle. So to find the middle, 18 and 104, 27 and 72, 31 and 60. What is the median or middle number is 45. If you are getting two numbers, just take the average, add them and divide by 2. Here the median is 45. Okay, then mean is average. Okay, so mean is average, median is middle, mode is most. Okay, thing like that. Then mean means we need to add everything divided by total. So 104 plus 18 plus 72 plus 31 plus 27 plus 45 plus 60 whole divided by what is how many days they recorded it for 7 days. So take your calculator, use the fraction button. 104 plus 18 plus 72 plus 31 plus 27 plus 45 plus 60 whole divided by 7. So you will get 51. So the mean is 51. Okay. Question number 9. The nth term of a sequence is n square plus 3n. Find the first three terms of the sequence. So first term means n will be 1. So replace both the n by 1. So you will get 1 square plus 3 times 1. Okay. So 1 square is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then second term means n is equal to 2. So just replace this n by 2. Okay, these n by 2. So 2 square plus 3 times 2. So 2 square is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. Then next term. Yeah. Third term is n is equal to 3. Replace these n by 3. So 3 square plus 3 times 3. 3 square is 9 plus 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So we got the first three terms of the sequence are 4, 10 and 18. Okay. These are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. So 25, 18, 11, 4 and minus 3. Find the nth term of the sequence. Just see, we will just check which type of sequence is this. Okay, 25 to 18. If you are subtracting by 7. Here also 18 to 11 we are minus 5. 11 to 4 also minus 7. 4 to negative 3 also minus 7. So this is an arithmetic sequence. So to find the nth term of arithmetic sequence, you can use the formula a plus n minus 1d, or you can take dn plus a minus d. Okay, so d is the difference. So here the difference is minus 7. So minus 7n plus a minus d. A is the first term. First term is 25. So 25 minus what is d? D is minus 7. So 2 minus will come here. Okay, here if you didn't understand, just see this d value is minus 7. So minus, we already have one minus there. Okay, so minus 7n plus 25 plus 7. Okay, so minus 7n, 25 plus 7 is 32. So plus 32. So the nth term of the second sequence, that is the sequence, is minus 7n plus 32, or you can write 32 minus 7n also, no problem. Okay, I hope question number 9 is clear for you. Question number 10. Write the recurring decimal 0.47 and the dot above 7 as a fraction. So what do you mean by this? Dot above 7 means we have the decimal, the recurring decimal is 4. What is repeating here? Above 7 you have a dot, that means 7 is repeating. Okay, this is a recurring decimal. Okay, so for recurring decimal, take the question as x always. Okay, then always remember, after decimal I will show you, I am multiplying this number by 10. I am finding 10x. Okay, so when you multiply this by 10, this 4 will come here. So it will become 4.77777. Okay, is it after decimal both of them are same? No, right? Here we have 4777, here we have 7777, right? So it is not same. Then again multiply by 10, or for the first one you can multiply by 100 also. Both are same. 100x. Okay, so first one we are multiplying by 100, or this one by 10. Both are same. So you will get 47.7777 it is repeating. So now you can see the right side. Okay, here this one and this one are same. So if you have a recurring decimal like this, always make sure after decimal point almost all the numbers must be in the same pattern or same. Then you can stop it. If it is not same, again take 1000x, 10,000x, like that you can continue until either sometimes you will get x and 100x, the after decimal will be same. It depends on the question. Okay, so take this one as 1 and take this one as 2. So 1 minus 2 we are taking. So 100x minus 10x is 90x equal to 47.77777 minus 4.77777. That after decimal, that recurring part will be removed when you subtract, right? So only remaining will be 47 minus 4. What is 47 minus 4? It is 43. So 90 we will move to right side. Here it is multiplication. So x is equal to 43 over 90. So this is the fraction for the recurring decimal point 477777. It is continuing. Okay. So always keep in mind after decimal the numbers must be same. Until then you have to continue multiplying by 10 10 10 10. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Question number 11. A is the point 5 comma minus 5 and B is the point 9 comma 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. Okay, so first point take it as x1 y1, second point take it as x2 y2. We have the formula for midpoint, that is x1 plus y1 divided by 2 comma x2 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So find it. 5 x1 is 5 plus x2 is 9 divided by 2 comma y1 is minus 5 plus y2 is 3 divided by 2. Then it is same as 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is, you will get 14. 14 over 2, that is 7. Okay, I will write it 14 over 2 comma minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 over 2. So it is same as 14 over 2 is 7, minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. So the midpoint of the line AB is 7 comma minus 1. Okay, then find the length of AB. To find the length of AB or length of a line, you can choose the starting and ending of that line. Okay, here AB, so we have A point and B point. So take A as x1 y1 or B as x1, like that. One point take it as x1 y1, next point take it as x2 y2. Then you can find the length of line like x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so x2 minus, we already gave x1 and y1 here. So x2 minus square root of x2. x2 is 9 minus x1 is 5. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 minus 5 whole square. Okay, sometimes you can see it will be y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. The answer will be same. Okay, no change. So square root of 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4 square plus 3 minus minus will become plus. Okay, so 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 square is 64. Okay, so 16. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 64. You will get 80, right? So you will get 80. So I hope you know how to simplify the surd. This is a surd, so you can simplify it like 4 root 5. Okay, like 80 you can write it as 16 times 5. So square root of 80 will become, square root of 16 is 4, so 4 root 5. Okay, like this. Okay, so either you can write 4 root 5. If it is a calculator paper, you can change it to decimal 8.94. Okay, anyway you can write it. Okay, question number 12. Factorize it completely. 21a square plus 28ab. I think we did the same question, the only the first one we did it in unit 2 past papers, right? Yes, so I will write it one more time. 21a square, split them. 21 is 7 times 3, a square is a times a. Then we have 28AB. 28 you can split it like 7 times 4. AB is A times B. Check for common. What is common here? In number you can see, where is my pen? Okay. Number you can see 7, and in letters you have A is common. So you can take 7 and A outside. So factorization will be 7A in bracket. What is remaining here? 3A is remaining. 3A, the operation is plus, so put plus. Here the remaining is 4B, right? So 3A plus 4B. So 7A times 3A plus 4B is the factorized answer. Okay, next one. 20x square minus 45y square. So 20 and 45, which number is common there? That is 5 is common, right? So first we cannot factorize it directly because we have only just number is common, and after that let's see. So 5 is common. So 20 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. So 4x square minus 5 times 9 is 45, right? So 9y square. So it will become like this. When you see directly there is nothing common, right? But you have to use one identity. We have a square minus b square is a minus b times a plus b. We are going to use difference between squares. We are going to use this identity here. So 5, how can we write 4? 4 is 2 square. So 2 square x square minus 3 square y square. So now you can see before and after decimal both of them are squares. So now you can use this identity, difference between squares. So what you have to do? Just take this 2x and this 3y. Okay. So when you multiply it back you will get the same. So 5, so just take 2x and 3y. So first subtract them. So 2x minus 3y, in next bracket add them. If you want you can just multiply them and check. Okay, you will get the same. So we are using here this identity, a square minus b square is a minus b times a plus b. Okay, I hope this one is clear for you. Question number 30. Find the size of an exterior angle of a rectangular polygon with 18 sides. So exterior angle, we have the formula, the sum of all the exterior angle of regular or regular polygon will be always 360. So 360 divided by 18. 18 times 2 is 36, so it will become 20 degree. Okay, so then in a triangle ACD, okay, it is given ACD, a bigger triangle. B lies on AC. B lies on B is this one. Okay, B lies on AC and E lies on AD. Such that BE is parallel to CD. BE is parallel to CD. They have marked the arrow. That means these two lines are parallel. AE is 5.2, ED is 2.6. Calculate BE. We need to find this side. Okay. Since I think this is only for 2 marks, directly you can say that these two triangles are similar, and then you can take the corresponding side ratio and find the missing side. Or if it is more than that, what you have to do is, I will show you here and then I will erase them. Okay, we have a bigger triangle, okay, that is ACD, okay, and we have a smaller triangle here. Okay, that is A, B, E. Now we need to prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, either you can show that the ratio of corresponding sides are same, but here the ratio, all the sides are not given, so we cannot take that. So the one thing you can check that if all the angles are same for these two triangles, you can say that these two triangles are similar, right? So you can see these two angles are same for both the triangles, right? That is this angle. This angle is common for both the triangles. So one angle is same. Okay. Then we will see the next angles. That is, I will just color it. So A and this angle are same because they are common. They are same in the picture. Okay, then we are going to show that yeah, this angle and this angle are same. Why it is? Because in the picture I will show you, this angle and this angle are same, but they are corresponding angles, same place angles. I always say corresponding means thing like same place angle. That means if you have parallel lines, if it is crossing by a straight line, you can see this angle and this angle will be same. The reason is they are in the same place, or you can say corresponding angles. These two angles are same, this one and this one, because they are corresponding same place. Okay, the below, this one and this one are same, then this one and this one are same because they are corresponding angle. So when you think about corresponding angles, or just keep in mind they are in the same place, right? This is the line and above the line. Okay, this line and above the line is the angle, this line and above the line is the angle. So these two angles are same because corresponding angles. So you can say that angle ACD equal to angle ABC. In the same way, you can say angle AEB, that is this angle and this angle are same. Why those two angles are same? This and this, the same. Two parallel lines are crossing by a straight line, so these two are parallel lines, right? So this is crossing by a straight line, so these two angles are same because they are corresponding angles. So you can say that the two triangles are similar. Then continue with the ratio. Okay, now I think this is only for 2 marks, so you can directly take the ratio. If it is not 2 marks, you have to show like this, then only you can continue with the question. Okay, so how to take the ratio of corresponding side? So here we have AD and AE are corresponding sides. So AD over AE, I will just write AD over AE equal to BE over CD. BE, okay, sorry. Here we took this triangle first. So you have to take this triangle first. Okay, I'll just draw one more time. Yeah, I will complete this because I accidentally pressed the eraser. Okay, so AD over AE is equal to CD over BE. Okay, CD over BE. Why like this? Because AD and CD are from the same triangle and AE and BE are from the same triangle. What is AD? AD, see the picture. AD is 5.2 plus 2.6. 5.2 plus 2.6. What is 5.2 plus 2.6? 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 plus 2, 7. So you will get 7.8 over AE is AE is 5.2. See the picture and write. Then CD. What is CD? CD is given 6.75 over. We have BE. BE is not given. We need to calculate BE. So just take it as BE. And cross multiply these two and these two. So we'll get BE times 7.8 equal to 6.75 times 5.2. Okay, so we can find BE equal to the 7.8 will take to right side, it will become divided by. So 6.75 times 5.2 over 7.8. Check the calculator, take the fraction button. You have 6.75 times 5.2 divided by 7.8. Okay, so you will get 9.9 over 2, that is 4.5. Okay, it is centimeter. Okay, so the length of BE is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, next one. Two solids are mathematically similar. The smaller mathematically similar. It is a different question, right? Okay. The smaller solid has height 2 centimeter and volume 32 centimeter cube. So we have smaller and larger. Okay, smaller and larger shapes. So in which the height is given smaller is 2 centimeter and the volume of smaller is 32 centimeter cube. Okay, the larger the height is not given and the volume is 780 centimeter cube. So calculate the height of the larger solid, we need to find the height. So we have volume factor is equal to, only for similar shape, we have volume factor is equal to scale factor cube. Volume factor means ratio of the volume. Ratio is what? 32 over 780. So 32 over 780 equal to, scale factor means any side length ratio, that is 2 over, I will take height as x. So 2 over x whole cube. Okay, then it will become, the left side we have 32 over 780 equal to, cube we will give to each term inside the bracket. So it will become 2 cube over x cube. Now you can, normally what we do, we will cross multiply, x cube will multiply with 30, 2 cube you can multiply with 780. So you will get 32x cube equal to 780 times 2 cube. Okay, so now 32 you can move to right side, it will become x cube equal to 780 times 2 cube over 32. Okay, so to find x, you can take cube will come here, it will become cube root. So cube root of 780, I hope you can see it is not covering by anything on my screen. Okay, so 32. So take cube root from the calculator, then inside that you have fraction 780 times we have 2 cube divided by 32. So this will become 5.79888. I will write the answer 5.798888. So we need only 3 SF. This is the side. So round and right. So 9 will become 10, or just take 79 will become 80. So 5.80 centimeter. Okay, 5.80 centimeter. So you can just um, remove any step, any unwanted step that you want, no problem for that, because some of the step you can just skip and do it directly, no problem. Okay, I hope question number 13 is clear for you. Now the last question from the from unit 3 past paper questions. So let's start. X is an integer. So what you mean by integer? Integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So they are called integers. Okay. So we are taking some integers. So don't worry about the sentence because the universal set is already given. Universal set is 41 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 50. That is, this contains 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so this is the universal set. That means we are discussing about only these members. Okay, nothing else. Then capital letter A or set A is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd number. So which are the odd number from here? Because the universal set is this set, so you can choose the numbers only from the universal set. Okay, so what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are 41, 43, 45, 47 and 49. Close the bracket. Then x is a multiple of 3. How can we identify the multiple of 3? When you add the digits, you have to get the multiple of 3. So 4 plus 1, 5. It is not a multiple of 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 42 is a multiple of 3. So just add the digits. 4 plus 3 is 7. It is not a multiple of 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. 4 plus 5, it is 9, right? So 9 is a multiple of 3. 4 plus 6, 10. No. 4 plus 7, 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 48, 49 no, 50 no. So close the bracket. So you will get 42, 45 and 48. Okay. Next, see prime number. Prime number means, I will just give you what you mean by prime number. Suppose if you have 12. Okay. Suppose this is just an example. Okay. If you don't know prime number, just see here. Okay. I will just write here 12. How can you split 12? 12 you can split like 2 and 6 and 2. 6 again you can split 3 and 2, like that, right? So what about 5? 5 you can split only like 5 and 1, nothing else. Okay, then what about 4? 4 you can split 2 and 2. Yeah, 2, 2 and 1. Here also 2 and 1. Okay, what about 11? 11 you can split only 11 and 1. Okay, so these numbers 11, 5, that means there is no divisors for those numbers, right? So we have 11, only 11 and 1. 5 means only 5 and 1. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So here we need to choose the numbers from this 41 to 50. For prime numbers, we can write only prime numbers for set to C. Okay, so prime numbers, what about 41? 41 is a prime. 42, no, it is an even number, so anyway it is divisible by 2. 43 is a prime number. 44, no even numbers, we have only one prime number, that is an even number, that is 2. Okay, so 45, 45 is a multiple of 5, so you cannot take it. 46, okay, 46, just 1 second. Okay, so what about 46? 46 is 41, 43. What about 46? 46 is an even number, so you cannot choose. 47, yes, 47 you can take. What about 48? 48 is even number, you cannot take. 49, 49, yeah, 7 square, 7 times 7 is 49, so it is not a prime number. Then 50. Okay, so just close the bracket. Okay, so these are the prime numbers from 41 to 50. Then complete the Venn diagram to show the information. Okay, so this part you have to write the common for A, B and C. Is there anything common for A, B and C? Just see 42, 45, 48. No, there is no common thing for A, B and C. So there is nothing here. Then A and C. Is there anything common for A and C? First you have to take only the common. We are going to fill all the common portion. Then only the outside this portion we will solve. A and C. Anything common for A and C? Just highlight it here so that it will be easy. A and C. A and C 45 is common. Right? So sorry. Oh no. Okay, just erase them. Okay. Okay. A and C. We are choosing A and C. Is there anything common in A and C? 41 is common. 43 is common. 47 is common. Okay. So we will write here A and C. The common are, I will change the color of my pen to red. Okay. So the common for A and C are 41, 43 and 47. Okay, now is there anything common for, we are going to fill this. Okay, B and C. Is there anything common for B and C? B and C, nothing common, right? No, nothing common. So just close it. Okay, then is there anything common for A and B? We are going to fill this portion. Okay, A and B. A and B, do we have anything common? Yes. 45 is common. Okay, is there anything else? No. So you can write 45 here. Okay, then inside circle A, you have the members of A. 41 is there, 43 is there, 45 is there, 47 is there, only 49 remaining. So you can write 49 here. Inside the circle B, 42 is, we haven't written that, 42 and 48. 45 is already here. Okay, then inside circle B we wrote 41, 43 and 47, so that's all. So you can just erase everything else. Yeah, just erase them and make sure you are writing all the numbers with pencil only. Okay, then list the elements of A intersection C. A intersection C. Common for A and C is 41, 43 and 47. Intersection means common elements. So 41, 43 and 47. Okay. Then B union C. A and C, yeah, 41, 43 and 47, right? Okay. A and B union C whole complement. So first we will find B union C. What is B union C? B union C is B elements and C elements together. So we have 41, 42, 43, 45, 47 and 48, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 elements. Okay, so B union C whole complement means other than B union C elements. Other than B union C elements, how many elements are here? We will just write 41, 42, 43. What about 44? 44, 45 is there, 46. We can write 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So 44, 46, 49 and 50. 44, 46, 49 and 50. Okay, then A intersection B, number of elements of A intersection B intersection C. So is there any common elements here for set A, set B and set B? There is no common elements. So number of elements will be 0. Don't write 5. I think in the textbook they have mentioned 5. 5 is a set. Okay, here they are asking n of, n means number of elements. So number of elements is 0 here. Okay, so I hope question number 14 is clear for you. So that's all about unit 3 past paper questions. So I hope this part is clear for you, and if you have any doubt, let me know. You can use the comment section for asking doubts, and yeah, that's all about today, and have a good day. And let me know if you want to tell me anything, or if you need more topics, or if you need more question, let me know. You can use comment or just email me. I hope you will get my email ID from my description, so use that email ID for that. And yeah, that's all about today, and have a good day. Thank you.